We are watching the Flying Train channel. Chip tips. Please subscribe our channel, and it is Flying Train channel and videos. It is a very amazing and interesting video. The train is one airplane over the flying train. It is around the green ground. It is in the sky flying. White color is a airplane and over the train. Just it is entertainment purpose only. It is just a gaming video. It is very interesting and imaginable. Wow, it is the over and it is going the next station. Stop the flying train. It is very amazing. Just very. It is red color and white color train. The stop the flying train in again and stop the airplane. It is a white color airplane and over the train. The train is the town and railway station. Wow. It is a machine and it is a machine. Just very entertainment, not. It is really wow.